Hi, this is Justin from RGBlink here at ISE 2020. We're showing some collaboration solutions here on the booth and how to use RGBlink solutions as part of collaboration applications. On the front end, you can use RGBlink UMS4 compute platform with your BYO software application for collaboration or media. It's got a built-in touchscreen on the front, the cassettes for SSD to bring external media, and with a GPU on the side you can do up to 4K 60 outputs. Take that out to your touchscreen, take that out to your video wall displays and build collaboration solutions on both the front and back of your collaboration solution with RGBlink. Great solutions that empower people to take advantage of technology in meeting spaces. To learn more about RGBlink products and how we can support these great collaboration applications, see us on the website, of course, www.rgblink.com.